Hello and welcome to Daily English Glow. Want to speak English with confidence? In today's video, you'll learn 10 slow and simple daily life English conversations. Each conversation is easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners to listen, understand, and practice. If you enjoy this lesson, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Daily English Glow for more easy English videos every week. Now, sit back, watch the full video, and let's start learning English together.
Ordering ice cream.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our ice cream shop.
Hello, I'd like some ice cream.
We have many delicious flavors.
Everything looks so good.
Which flavors do you like?
Chocolate and vanilla, please.
Those are our best sellers.
That's nice to know.
Would you like a sample?
Yes, I'd like chocolate.
Here you are.
It tastes wonderful.
Have you decided?
Yes, chocolate and vanilla.
Great choice.
I'd like a cone.
We have regular and waffle cones.
I'll take a waffle cone.
Would you like any toppings?
Yes, chocolate syrup, please.
We also have cookie pieces.
Please add some cookie pieces.
Anything else today?
Some rainbow sprinkles, too.
No problem at all.
It will look colorful.
What size would you like?
I'll choose the large size.
Your order is almost ready.
I can't wait.
Your total is $9.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is approved.
Thank you very much.
There are benches outside.
I'll enjoy my ice cream there.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you. See you again.
Shopping for a rain jacket.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our outdoor store.
Hello, I need a rain jacket.
I'd be happy to help.
Mine is too old.
What size do you wear?
Medium. I usually wear medium.
Here are several jackets.
I like this blue one.
Would you like to try it?
Yes. Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there.
I'll be back soon.
How does it fit?
It feels very comfortable.
This material is waterproof.
Will it keep me dry?
Yes, it's great for heavy rain.
That's exactly what I need.
This jacket is also lightweight.
I like lightweight clothes.
We have black and green.
May I try the green one?
Of course. Here it is.
I like this color better.
It matches your backpack.
I think so too.
The blue jacket is cheaper.
How much is the green one?
It's $65.
That's a fair price.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Your total is $65.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your new jacket.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Getting ready for a day trip.
Good evening. Ready for tomorrow?
Almost. I still need packing.
Let's check your backpack.
That's a good idea.
Did you pack your jacket?
Yes, it's inside already.
How about comfortable shoes?
I'm wearing them tomorrow.
Don't forget your phone charger.
Thanks. I'll pack it now.
Bring a small water bottle, too.
I'll put it inside.
Have you checked the bus schedule?
Not yet. I'll check now.
The first bus leaves early.
Then we'll have plenty of time.
We should leave before 7.
Yes, I don't like rushing.
Bring some water bottles.
I'll pack 2 bottles.
Looking for a public restroom.
Good afternoon. How may I help?
Excuse me, I need some help.
Of course. What's the problem?
I'm looking for a restroom.
The public restroom is nearby.
Really? Where is it?
Walk straight to the hallway.
Then what should I do?
Turn left at the corner.
Okay, I understand.
Look for the blue sign.
I see many signs.
The restroom sign has symbols.
That makes it easier.
It's beside the elevators.
That's easy to remember.
The door says restrooms.
I'll watch for that.
It's clean and open.
That's good to know.
There are family restrooms too.
Where are those?
They're across the hallway.
Thank you for explaining.
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate your help.
If it's busy, wait outside.
I understand. Thank you.
There are more restrooms upstairs.
That's helpful information.
Just follow the signs.
I'll find it now.
Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Using an ATM for the first time.
Good afternoon. Do you need help?
Yes, it's my first time.
I'd be happy to assist.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Please insert your bank card.
Like this? Is it correct?
Yes, the machine accepted it.
That's good to see.
Now choose your language.
I'll choose English.
Please enter your PIN.
I'll type it carefully.
Good. Keep your PIN private.
I always do that.
Select Cash Withdrawal.
I found the button.
How much would you like?
$50, please.
Press the Confirm button.
Okay, I pressed it.
Please wait a moment.
It's counting the money.
Here comes your cash.
Everything worked perfectly.
Please take your card.
I almost forgot it.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, I'll keep one.
Here is your receipt.
I'll keep it safely.
Your transaction is complete.
That was easier than expected.
You are ready to go.
Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Finding a seat on the bus.
Good morning. Are you looking for a seat?
Yes, the bus is crowded.
I think one is available.
Where is it?
Which stop do you need?
Maple Street, please.
That's about 10 minutes away.
Thanks for telling me.
I'll let you know.
I really appreciate that.
The next stop is Oak Avenue.
Mine is after that.
Yes, be ready soon.
I'll press the stop button.
Good idea.
Should I stand now?
Yes, hold the handrail.
I'll be careful.
This is Maple Street.
That's my stop.
Have a great day.
Thank you for your kindness.
You're welcome. Take care.
Goodbye.
Using a coffee shop Wi-Fi.
Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop.
Hello? I'd like a coffee.
What would you like today?
A medium latte, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
That sounds good.
Your total is $8.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is approved.
Thank you very much.
Here are your coffee and muffin.
They look delicious.
Is there anything else?
Yes. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes.
It's free for customers.
May I have the password?
It's printed on your receipt.
Oh, I see it now.
You can also scan this code.
I'll use the password.
Are you using a laptop?
Yes, I need to work.
There are outlets by the window.
That's very convenient.
Are you using a laptop?
Yes, it's working perfectly.
I'm glad to hear that.
The internet is very fast.
Enjoy your coffee and work.
Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you. I'll come back again.
Buying a water bottle.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Hello, I need a water bottle.
I'd be happy to help.
I want a reusable one.
We have many different sizes.
Which size is most popular?
This 20-ounce bottle sells well.
It looks easy to carry.
We also have larger bottles.
I think this size is enough.
It's made from stainless steel.
Will it keep water cold?
Yes, it stays cold for hours.
That's exactly what I need.
It comes in 4 colors.
I like the green one.
It's a customer favorite.
The color looks nice.
This bottle is easy to clean.
That's very important.
The price is $22.
That's a fair price.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Do you use a mobile wallet?
Yes, I do.
Please tap your phone here.
Okay, one moment.
Your payment was successful.
That was quick and easy.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your new bottle.
Thanks for your help.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Visiting a tourist information center.
Good morning. Welcome to our visitor center.
Hello, I'm visiting this city.
We're glad you're here.
I need a city map.
Here is a free map.
Thank you very much.
What would you like to see?
I'm not sure yet.
The art museum is popular.
That sounds interesting.
The city park is beautiful.
I'd like to visit there.
The Riverwalk is nearby.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's about 10 minutes.
That's close enough.
There is a food festival today.
Really? That sounds fun.
It starts this afternoon.
I'd like to go.
There is live music, too.
I enjoy live music.
The festival is free.
That's wonderful.
Let's plan your route.
Yes, please help me.
Visit the museum first.
Then I'll walk downtown.
End your day at the festival.
That sounds like a great plan.
Everything is marked on your map.
That makes it easy.
Have a fantastic visit.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy our city.
I will. Have a great day.
Shopping for a birthday card.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our gift shop.
Hello, I need a birthday card.
I'd be happy to help.
There are so many choices.
Who is the card for?
It's for my sister.
These birthday cards are popular.
I like this colorful one.
Please read the message inside.
It's sweet and cheerful.
We also have funny cards.
She likes funny jokes sometimes.
This one always makes people smile.
It's nice, but too silly.
Then the colorful card is perfect.
Yes, I'll take it.
Do you need wrapping paper?
Yes, for a small gift.